Hi, I'm Linda Ballou, and my friend Robin Hutton, who is the author of War Animals, is a wannabe travel writer. So she asked me to give her some tips. She had purchased my How to Make Travel Writing Work for You and wanted to know more. So the first thing you need to do, and what I told Robin, is you have to figure out your niche. You have to think about what's special about you, and you have to decide where you want to go and how you want to go there. So in her case, she's also a wannabe cowgirl. So I suggested guest ranches where she could learn how to ride and she could talk about that experience and share articles about that experience. So the first thing you need to do is think about who you are, where you want to go, and how you want to get there. I'm going to be sharing more tips because I really think that people want to know this, and I'm happy to help.